best ever performance of the BJP, not good enough. Here's the story of Mission 44, how the numbers stacked up and some of the reactions. We're coming into the debate on the other side.
BJP workers celebrating their blockbuster performance in Jammu.
अब तक के जो आंकड़े उपलब्ध है उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी 23.4% वोट पाई है और उसके बाद में पीडीपी 22% के आसपास वोट पाई है.
If we go by the press statement that was given by Amit Shah, he said that one need to respect the mandate of the people, and that mandate of the people has gone in favor of the BJP here in Jammu region, and that has gone in favor of the PDP in Kashmir.
Definitely we are looking for a kind of a governance which is based on our agenda. जो हमने लोगों के सामने अपना एजेंडा रखा है गुड गवर्नेंस का और बाकी चीजें, and it's going to take time.
They're not naming any names right now, but not surprisingly they're saying that the process of outreach is still on and will continue until, of course, government formation takes place.
Despite the campaign blitzkrieg, which included rallies by the Prime Minister, voters in the valley seemed unimpressed.
Mr. Javadekar, do you believe had you carried the same agenda that you had in Jammu, if you had carried it to Kashmir, you would have at least won 4 or 5 seats in Kashmir?
No, Kashmir, our vote share has gone up tremendously.
BJP wants to form the government, the BJP wants to come to power. Now the big question will remain whether the BJP will form the government with the PDP or the BJP will form the government with the National Conference and the other independents.
सारे विकल्प खुले हैं. बीजेपी की सरकार बनाने का विकल्प भी खुला है, किसी को समर्थन देने का भी विकल्प खुला है और किसी की सरकार में शामिल होने का भी विकल्प खुला है.
Going with the BJP means that they have a government in Delhi and a state of Jammu and Kashmir which is already going through a very bad financial situation coupled with what happened due to the flood devastation. So they need a favorable government at the center for all the funds.
A record voter turnout, but still a fractured verdict as the BJP's Mission 44 failed to fire across the state, leaving Amit Shah to carefully mull its post-poll options here. Bureau Report, Times Now.